Okay, so we watched that video. Let's just get some feedback about what words we heard. Tuana, what words did you hear? You heard what's that? Nucleoidal coils. Yes. Bit of a strange term there. The term we're going to use, Tuana, was going to say that the shape of DNA is a double helix, a double spiral. Okay, so that's a key term. And we also heard something else. Esther, what was that other word we heard? Bases, yeah, bases, okay. There are these molecules on the inside of the molecule called bases, A, T, C and G. And A pairs up with T and C pairs up with G. Good, well done Esther. James, can you just stop tapping your pen please? It's really annoying. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so we've got the double helix, we've got our bases in the middle, and the other thing you need to know is that DNA is a polymer. And what that means is that it's made out of repeating units, repeating monomers, so the molecule itself is a polymer. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to move on and we're going to see how it's all put together. So, here's my cell. Here's my nucleus. Inside my nucleus, so this is a eukaryotic cell, I've got these structures called chromosomes. And so in a human cell, you have 46 chromosomes in a normal human cell. So let's look at these chromosomes. What are these chromosomes made from? These chromosomes themselves are made from the molecule DNA. So you need to know that DNA is the molecule that makes up a chromosomes, and chromosomes in effect store your DNA within your cells. And now let's move on to look at this thing called a gene. So what's a gene? A gene is in effect a section of DNA. In each cell you've got about 20,000 to 25,000 genes, and a single gene is a section of DNA, and that gives the information to make a particular protein. These things are amino acids, and when you stick all your amino acids together, it makes a protein. So genes give the information to make proteins. Now, this is what you need to do now. You need to go to the next slide, complete the word fill activity, and having done that, I want you to watch a video involving Brian Cox, an iPad, and some orangutans. Enjoy.